Hi everyone, welcome. In this tutorial, we will be looking at another animation, and that's called Shining Sunbeams. Let's quickly write these. Quickly, we are going to insert 3 different images from the basics, and then those images are going to make a loop, and then they're going to present a good animation. Firstly, it's going to be one star like this, okay? And that's going to stay for 200 milliseconds from waiting, okay? And I choose another input, show LED, so I'm going to make another pattern. So this time it will be like a small square, and we will also let them wait 200 milliseconds more. I can quickly duplicate this and put it here, and also duplicate this one and put this one right here under another pause. And later on, all I need to just add here more dots. That's going to appear another pattern. As you see, in the beginning, my pattern will be like a small plus, and then it's going to shape to a square, and then we will add also another dots in the corner points and also between the corners, and we will see these dots, like this, and it's gonna keep growing from the smallest shape of this, and it will look like a sunbeam shining, okay? We can also send these codes to our microbit by clicking download. As you see, it works perfectly. We see amazing animation. After this amazing animation, we can quickly look at what we have done. Let's recap this. But we can see all of the blocks. You can minimize this from these icons. Okay, so now it's going to cover all the page. Okay, and now as you see in the beginning, we did a small pattern, and then we made this a little bit bigger, and then a little bit more bigger by adding the corner points. And as a result, we see this animation. Also, we see it right here in our microbit. Alright, now we finished the animation by using this block coding. So we can continue doing the same thing using Python programming language. I'm going to throw it away and choose the Python quickly. And then we will start coding here. Firstly, as you see, there is an animation, as you see right here, that always, repeating that from smallest, the middle, and biggest, smallest, middle, and bigger. And it keeps doing this repetition. So we have to put this in a loop, just like we put in a forever loop when we were working in a block coding. So the same thing also goes in a Python. We have to add the while true, okay, and double dot, and then whatever we write here, they will be repeated inside the while true loop. And firstly, remember we had basic show LEDs, and we were showing one plus, right? So by the way, we use these hashtags to turn the LEDs on. Dots means LED off. Hashtag means LED on. That's simple, okay? And now I go to another code line, and I will do some pause. 100 milliseconds is fine. And then I'm gonna show the second pattern, okay? Show LEDs. So this time it will look like bugs, right? I can quickly add the hashtags. I can actually copy this tree. So we have the plus as well. I mean the square actually we have here. And after the square we will have another pause, right? By the way, if you don't see the the hint window, you can make it appear by holding Control and space, and that's gonna come up, and then directly you can choose what you want. And finally, we will also make another pattern, basic.show LEDs. I can actually copy paste this first. And then all I need to just add here other hashtags to the corners and the middle of the every sides. So that's it. Let me minimize this so you can see all the codes. As you see, these things will be repeated because of while true. So while true is a loop. Actually, whatever under the while true, they all will be repeated. Okay, so it will firstly show this plus and show the square, and then show these like a star thing, and then kind of star, and then it will start over from the top, and then again in the middle, and then end start. So it will always keep repeating this ceaselessly without no tiring. That's amazing. So all I need to just send the codes and see, will we have the same reaction? Yes, codes are sent, and now it's cool, it's working. We could also start this by a dot. I would like to actually copy these codes and paste it here, and all I need to just make it start with the one light in the center of all LEDs, okay, in a microbit, and then it will go to one plus and square and then star. Let's see now how will it look like. Yep. It looked fantastic. All right, that's it. Hopefully you like the project, and hope you enjoy and do the same thing with your microbit. All the best for you. See you in another tutorial. Bye bye.